Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's teaching. In today's teaching, we'll be looking at change of subject or formulae or change of expression, subject of expression. So in change of subject, you want to make one variable subject of the formula, one variable subject of the formulae. So you can make A subject of the formulae. It depends on how the question is being structured. And you can make N, you can make T, you can make V subject of formulae. Now in this example, make T the subject of the formulae or of the formula. When we have E here, we have it as formulae. So let's make this a subject of formula. A equals to the square root of 1 over n, then divided by 1 over t minus 1 over v. It is having square root, and we have to make t the subject of the formula. So the first thing to do, solution. The first thing we have to do is to clear this square root. Clear this square root. So how do we clear square root? By taking the square of both sides. So you say take the square of both sides. Take the square of both sides. We want to clear that square root. Take the square of both sides. So if we take the square of both sides, it becomes a square equal to 1 over n divided by 1 over t minus 1 over v. Now what is the interpretation of this? The interpretation of this is a squared equals to 1 over n divided by 1 over t minus 1 over v. So let's put this one into bracket. Then we undo this one first because it's in bracket, following our fraction BODMAS. So bracket comes first. That means we're going to have a squared is equal to 1 over n divided by, what do we do here? We take the LCM, and the LCM is TV. The LCM is TV. Now, if the LCM is TV, T into TV, we have V. V multiplied by 1 is V. Minus V into TV, we have T. T multiplied by 1 is T. So that means, now we're having division sign here. What do? We transpose. We're having division here. What do? We need to do what? To transpose. That is, we change division sign to multiplication sign. The denominator goes up and becomes the numerator. Numerator comes down and becomes the denominator. Therefore, a squared is equal to 1 over n multiplied by TV over v minus t. V minus t. Look at what I've done. This denominator goes up, now becomes TV over vt. Now, that means what are we going to have now? We are going to have a squared is equal to 1 times TV remains as what? TV. Everything over n into bracket v minus t. Let's close the bracket. So this one, 1 times TV, this one multiplied by this will give us this. So what are we going to have now? Remember that we want to make t subject of the formula. T subject of the formula. So from here, we can cross multiply over 1. That means that this one will go and marry this one will marry this. So that means TV is equal to a square multiplied by n into v minus t. So that is what we are going to have. That means we are going to have tv is equal to a square nv minus a square nt. So we have used this one to open the bracket. So we are having a square nv minus, because of the negative sign there, a square nt. Remember that we want to make t subject of the formula. So here we are having t. Let's just cross this equal to sign. It becomes tv is negative here. It becomes positive plus a square nt, which is equal to a square nv. Now, when you look at this side, one variable is common. And what is that variable? T is common. So let's factorize using common factor. So that means we are going to have t into bracket v, t into tv, we are left with only v, plus t into this one, we are left with only a square n. Let's close the bracket, which is equal to a square n v.